Presenting a pre-owned 2007 BMW 530i. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.